You can share, guys, your screen. Yes.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes, visible.
Yes, sir. Our topic is about control statements,
Okay.
and control statements is nothing but which enables the programmer to control flow of the program, and which allows to make decisions to jump from one section of the code to other section and to execute the code repeatedly.
Okay.
In Java, we have four types of control statements: decision making statement, selection statement, iteration statement, jump statement.
Okay.
And when it comes to decision making statement, it consists of it is possible by these statements like if statement, if else statement, if else if ladder, and if nested if.
Can you
Today our
maximize
topic-
your screen? Can you maximize your screen?
Yeah.
Is maximized. You can maximize. You can double click onto that PPT. Just double click. Not able to come. I think it is maximized, right?
Yes.
Yeah, go ahead now.
Yes, sir. Today's our topic is about if statement and if else statement, and we can observe here if statement is nothing but it will be execute the source code only if our condition is true. And syntax, we can observe the syntax if condition is given, and by seeing the examples we can get clear. This is the first example we can observe here. If condition is given as 5 greater than 2, so when it comes to the condition is true. By that we got output as statement 2 in our output. When we observe second example, if statement is if condition is given as 5 greater than 20, so our condition is wrong. So we doesn't get the output as statement 2.
Very
And when it comes to the if else statement, it will be executed either our condition is true or false.
true.
We can observe the examples of if else statement. Uh, we given as 5 is greater than 2 in if condition, and our condition is true. By that we got statement 2, and we doesn't get the else statement as statement 3 we doesn't get in our output. When we observe the example, other example of this statement, uh, 5 greater than 20 is given. Statement 2 we doesn't get in our output because the statement is false, and we got as else statement. Statement 3 we got in output because else is executed.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's all. Can you explain to that any programmatically? No. Your what PPT explanation is very good, guys. Really. But that if you are showing to me what with example, then it is really very good. I'm not able to show examples. You are a theoretical. Theoretical, it is correct, guys. Can you show with practically? No.
For the next time, next topic I will
Okay.
execute with the program.
Okay, guys. Okay, next.
Yeah.
Next to the yeah. Go ahead, guys, for the next.
Yeah, just take a second. Is the screen visible?
Yes, yes. It's visible, guys. You can share again. Okay, go to next slide.
Uh, Good evening to everyone. Myself Devran. Today my topic is about Java control flow statement. Generally, Java control flow statement which consists it's a code which exists from the top to bottom. So close the code according to the conditions and the codes which we wrote. The flow which is given by the program, which is to execute and perform the program very neat. There are three types of control flow statements. There are this loop and jump statement. Each statement is just further divided into many types, uh, such as if statement and loop statement and jump statement. Uh, Today my topic is about if else if statement and the switch statement. Let's get into the topic. If else if statement. If else if statement which consists the if statement followed by multiple if else statement.
Go to slide,
We
guys.
use the
Go to. Can you go to that slide? Next slide, second slide. Uday, can you go to that second slide, guys?
yes sir I went sir.
No, I'm not able to. Yes, now.
Yeah 1 second.
Yes, yes. Now, okay. Yeah, go ahead.
If else if statement that the if else if statement is generally because it is followed by the if statement and also many other conditions of else if statement. It is also an expression of if statement which is done by the many other conditions. The syntax of the if else if statement is given divided into three types. That is, we given the if and we give the condition number one, and the else if we use as the condition number two. Now, whether the remaining those two conditions are come under false, then it executes an else block. So this is the syntax which we used in if else if statement. The example of if else if is
Yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
if else if statement is this. Here we can see that we wrote the string which is in the delete, and we given the if where this condition is mirrored. If the given city is compared is equal to the mirrored, then it gives to the gives the output of city is mirrored. If the condition which we given in the if condition is false, then it goes to the if else statement where which we give the city is equals to Noida. So even though if it is false, then it goes to the another else if statement which we given the condition it is equals to Agra. Or else you can add any number of else if statement until it's our wish. If every condition which we given is false, then it automatically print out the else block, which is we are given the string name as Delhi. So here we can see the output which we have given in the string.
Delhi is not matched with any conditions which are given in the upper.
Then which block it is going to execute here?
Sir?
Which block it is executed now?
It's not executed any block, sir. It's executed else block.
Excellent.
Here we can see that the system
Excellent.
not printed in city.
Excellent. Excellent. Okay.
Previously, the condition which you are given in if and else if block, which is not matched with the string name which you are given as Delhi, so it's not executed any other thing.
Yes.
It's coming on switch statement. Switch statement is used to switch the condition from one to another.
Okay.
It is used where we express where we give the condition of one and give this where it is suitable for the object. Sir?
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm not talking.
Where it's suitable for the first, it puts the first, and when it is false, it's conditional, which comes under the second case. Here we can see. Then here break is used to break the flow of the program to jump to the other statement. Here we can see the example of the switch statement. Here we are given number, the number is equal to 2. In the switch, and we are given the condition that we're using the keyword switch, and when the condition as a number, we given as number 2. And we treat the cases with case 0 to case how many we can add it. In case 0, we given as a number. If the given number is 2, given number is 0, then it will print the number is 0. Follows the case 0, then it's break the flow, and next it executes this case 1. Like that, it goes on case 2, case 3, case 4. How many we can add it? It's our wish. After executing the each switch statement, then it breaks the code and executes the next code. Like here we see that after 0, it is not executed, so it breaks the code and it goes to the case number 1. Here, the number is 1, so it's not executed. It's break, so it breaks the flow. Then the default we given as a print out number, or else we can write here as a case 2 by system not order println is number is 2. It can print as a 2. And thank you.
Okay. 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 So next one. Venkata. Yeah. 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 Guys, try to understand, guys, concept. Yes, yes, please.
My topic is about introduction about the while and do while loop.
Okay, good.
So screen visible.
Yes, yes, visible, guys.
So while loop is nothing but it executes a block of code as long as the specified condition is true. So that means in syntax we have given condition is true, then only the code will be executed. Difference, I mean, when we are going to use while loop means we don't know which is the starting point and ending point. Like example, for each, we know some points where to start and where to end. For we use int I is equal to 0, int I is less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. In that we know starting and ending point. But in while loop, when we are going to use this, We don't know the starting and ending point of loop repetition. So then we use while loop. Syntax for while loop. While condition open brackets. Inside the open brackets, we will use our block codes, our logic, our business logics. This is how while loops. No? This is how while loop. And I is equal to 0. I is less than or equal to 5. This loop will be repeated for 5 times until the loop gets fails. So this loop to executed 5 times until the loop gets fails. This is about while loop. And example for while loop. And do while is nothing but it will execute the first statement without any error or any condition. It will give a chance of the first execution of the statement. After the next process onwards, it will check the statement is true or false. If the condition is true, then only it will allow the SFORM statements or business logic statements instead what we this is the syntax for dual loops. X flower brackets block here while and example for dual loop. This is the example. Here to here for the first loop it will execute the statements without any error or condition. We don't care about anything. We just execute the first attempt and the second attempt almost it will hit the while condition. So I got the loop. If I keep here 0, should the statement should be not executed because here I is less than 0, 0 is less than 0, false. So this should not be executed. But we are using here do while loop, right?
Yes.
For the first occurrence, the statement will be executed without any error, even though the condition is false. We execute the first occurrence. And the second occurrence onwards, it will check the condition and it will not execute. That's it.
Good.